Welcome back to my channel. Today I just made some slime and I was gonna do it with you guys, but like I found it difficult to do. So yeah, it's supposed to come out purple because it was purple glitter glue, but since the tide was blue, it turned it a little bluish. So stretchy. I added lotion to it, and it's scented like mango. Yeah, and if you go to Hoover, you could comment down below if you want me to make you some slime, and I could give you one for free. So yeah, or maybe not free, maybe a toy, maybe I don't know. You can make glitter glue, clear glue. I just need white Elmer's glue. I have food coloring and Tide. I have 2 gallons of Tide. Yeah. So I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion because it doesn't feel that soft. So I have this one. So it's getting to be like cool. I put some of my slime from yesterday's video. Yeah. And how I told you, if you go to Hoover, if you find me, tell me if you want slime, and I will make you one. Yeah. And by the way, subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah. And I want you to what's your favorite slime? Like maybe it's a butter slime. Mine is butter slime. Or maybe you guys just fluffy slime, regular slime. I don't know, unicorn slime. So yeah, guys. Bye.